In this video, I will show you how to set up a static IP address on a Windows PC. A static IP address is very useful for IoT or home automation projects where you will need to have a fixed IP address for your server. Let me show you how to set it up. Click Search, type Control and click on Control Panel. Then go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and here you see your Wi-Fi connection. Click on it. Then click on Details. This is the IP address of your computer, 192.168.1.102. And what you see here is the subnet mask. This is important because this shows which addresses are masked or not available for the local network. Let me explain. So we just saw that this is the IP address of this computer. These four numbers are 8-bit, so they can be 0 to 255. Below is the subnet mask. If the number is 255, it means that all numbers are masked. So the first three are not available for the local network. The fourth one is 0. That means that all numbers from 0 to 255 are available for IP addresses. So the local network will look like this. The first three numbers are fixed and the last number can be 0 to 255. So we have in total 256 addresses available. Now, this is the most typical example for a home Wi-Fi router. However, if I connect my PC to my smartphone hotspot, it is different. This is the computer IP address, and below you see that the subnet mask is different. The last number is 240, which means that there are only 16 numbers available from 0 to 15. So the local network addresses of the smartphone hotspot will look like this. The first three numbers are fixed and the last number can be 0 to 15. So there are 16 addresses available on the hotspot. Now let's fix our IP address. We go to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and then we click on our Wi-Fi connection. Click on Details, and I will make a screenshot of this because I will need this information later. Close. Now we click on Properties. Double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Here you see the computer will automatically obtain an IP address. So we select here Use Following IP Address. Now for the IP address, we copy the first three digits, 192, you see them here, 168.1. And for the fourth one, we select our own number between 0 and 255. It is best to select a high number to be sure that the IP address is not already dynamically assigned to another device. So let's pick 220. Then the subnet mask we just copy, 3 times 255 and a 0. And the default gateway we also copy, 192.168.1.1. This is used by the Wi-Fi router, your gateway to the internet. Now you still have to enter the DNS or Domain Name System IP address. By default, it is the same as the gateway. The DNS is basically the phone book of the internet, translating the domain names like weather.com to the IP address of that website. You can put a specific address like Google 8888, but I will leave it to the local default, 192.168.1.1. This one you can keep blank. Press OK. Press OK. Now let's check the details again. You see that the IP address is 192.168.1.220, just like we configured it. Now every time the computer connects to this Wi-Fi router, it will have this IP address. I hope you liked the video. If it was useful for you, please like and subscribe and leave your experience in the comments.